So there's a TikTok going around of this photographer, this mom that is photographing her daughter in her front yard. She shows the before and then the after is this beautiful nightscape photo with the Milky Way behind her. And I want to show you that not only was it fake, but how to actually replicate it.
You say I need a plan, but no I don't. Chasing all my dreams out on my own, I'm just fine. It's alright.
So as you just saw, I just went outside and did a quick photo session with my daughter, and I'm about to show you that you can easily, just quickly convert daytime to nighttime and add the Milky Way.
In one place, I'm just running. I keep running. I go where I want to, spread color that shines through. I'm a wildflower, a wildflower. My free spirit flowing like a river to the ocean. I'm a wildflower, a wildflower.
So it's very possible that this photographer, this mom, does live in an area where there's such little light pollution that she's able to get photographs with the Milky Way. But the way she presented it was kind of daytime to nighttime, and then I had people asking me how she's doing it. So that is why I just showed you what I showed you. So how did I do it? Skylum Luminar 4 has AI sky replacement. It's that simple. Not only will it replace the sky, but it'll also take the ambiance from the sky and put it onto the person, making daytime to nighttime. And then I use their AI portrait enhancer to fine-tune my daughter to make her look like she is a subject, like she's illuminated instead of just being dark. That's it. That's how easy it was. Skylum Luminar 4. Want to play a game of nighttime, daytime? Nighttime! If you like this video, click that subscribe button below right now. I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday whenever possible. You don't want to miss it. And karate kick the notification bell so you're notified when the next video goes live.